Okay, problem 4. We've got x squared minus 25 over x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by 4x squared plus 24x plus 36 over x plus 5. Let's make this a multiplication problem, so keep my first fraction the same. And I'm going to flip my second fraction. Okay. Now we want to factor. So the x squared minus 25, that's a difference of squares. So that factors to x plus 5 times x minus 5. We'll keep multiplying across by x plus 5 here. That's the top part. On the bottom part, the x squared plus 10x plus 25, that's x plus 5 squared, or x plus 5 times x plus 5. That's a perfect square trinomial. And then let's take a look at this one. This one, you may see that I can factor out a 4, and then I've got x squared plus 6x plus 9. Which is really 4 times x plus 3 squared, or x plus 3 times x plus 3. So, okay, what can I cancel out? Well, I can cancel out these x plus 5s and these x plus 5s. And what am I left with? I'm left with x minus 5 over 4 times x plus 3 squared. That's my fully factored form, or really, remember this 4 times the quantity x plus 3 squared is just that. So I could write it as x minus 5 over 4x squared plus 24x plus 36.